So we carefully keep out the plastic basket and then we choose what bird. So we are using our reward system to remove bags that intelligence and effort to our birds. And as I mentioned earlier, the job is a very special and intelligent bird. Do you want to know why? Because Shabu loves to go to school, to the bird school. So we prepare two tests for Jumbo. First, we will be having the spelling test. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, we have here drawing of animal features, the tiger, zebra, camel, horse, and the snake. And I want you to choose one animal feature, okay? So, what do you want to choose? Louder, please. Alright, so here the camel with each hand. So on the series, preparing the jungle letters, let's have a short interview together with Mr. I. Good morning, sir. How are you? Fine. Great. So what are jungle's favorite foods? Variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Okay, but everybody sustainably and consciously carefully. Now what is the spell of the camel? Come on, please work yourself. Alright, so you pick up the letters C, okay, yes. Next, everybody. The letter A, and for the third letter. Come on. Okay, Shabu, we have the letter M. And for the fourth letter, you break. Now, for the last letter, what do you want to choose?
Oh!
Last one, come on. Okay,
Ayos ah.
now, so the final spells C-A-N-T-L. Is it correct? Alright, so I think it's too easy for Jumbo. So now let's have the mathematical test in addition 4. Now ladies and gentlemen, I want you to choose two numbers between 1 and 10. Okay, so first decide answer. Give me one number. Can gesture please? Alright, so let's have 8. Now decide. 5. 8 and 5 with gesture please. Now Mr. Ian, what are Jumbo's favorite subjects? English and math. So where did Jumbo go to school?
University of Cebu, Safari.
Alright, University of Cebu, Safari. Now, Mr. Allen, where did you originally from?
Safari.